Greetings from Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York. And here is a look down walking West 29th Street, where there is some of the most impressive urban gardening for food and vegetables that I have seen in a long time. And it's very impressive because this area has great sunlight, and you can see the tomatoes are turning to their red color. This is the last day of July, so it's a rather hot time, and this is a brackish area when the salt water mixes with the humidity in the air, making gardening somewhat difficult. But you can see the persistence of the gardeners here. Look at this precision. That is impressive. They are utilizing towers that they built to give the leaf of the plant all of the sunlight that it needs, but then catching the item so it doesn't lay on the ground to keep it away from urban animals such as rats or rotting on the soil. I was going to say ratting because rats are so prevalent in New York City, and they really did a great job of protecting the food that they are growing. Not a Coney Island story that is told very often. Mailboxes are at the street level. Let's do a little bit more of a walk as we head towards Neptune Avenue. Not sure what we are growing here, but it actually even looks beautiful. Aesthetically, it is a well job. We can see some flowers that looks like it could be pumpkin, it could be eggplant. Beautiful rich colors. And we can see more of the rich green colors. Having such great greenery in the month of July is a success within itself. Applause to the gardeners of Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York. Did not expect to see that. I just wanted to walk over towards Neptune Avenue and check out a little bit more of the community. I've seen the boardwalk and it's wonderful, but I wanted to see what else was here. And that's what I found on Neptune Avenue at West 29th Street, along with a beautiful summer sunset. Till next time, happy urban gardening. Remember, beautiful Coney Island, Brooklyn. I love New York. Back to some summer sunset. Till next time.